Hey, in this video, I will show you how to post on Facebook. It's actually a very simple tutorial that's beginner friendly and it is updated for 2021 for the newest version of Facebook. And it's the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. What you would like to do is obviously go on Facebook, and on top when you are in the newsfeed it says what's on your mind. You want to click there and you can choose some photos. For example, you want to choose a video, maybe a new product that you bought, something that you want to sell, and you want to say what's on your mind. For example, I'm feeling sad today, for example, or what do you think about this event? And then what you can do is go and either post here, or you can keep edit oops sorry or you can discard this post and create another one where you can tag friends. You can have a feeling check-in, you can even use gifs, you can start a watch party and all that jazz. So every activity on Facebook basically starts on what's your mind, and you can change the privacy of the post to public, friends accept, show specific friends, or only me from the options here. If this video helped you out, give me a like. And I'm making hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So if you can subscribe and like the video, it would mean the world. And if you have any questions while you are watching this video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. I want to see you in the next video. Bye.